If you're ever going to trade in a car, this applies to you. I had a client that came to me that wanted to buy a house. He told me he had perfect credit, perfect income, savings. And when I do the loan application, I see he has good income and he has savings, but his credit score is low. It's in the low 600s. He told me that his credit score was in the mid 700s. And there were really no late payments on his credit ever, except there was this car loan that went 90 days late. It was in the last 6 months. First I thought that maybe he co-signed for somebody else's car, but I had no idea. And he's like, no, that was my car, but when was the late payment? And I explained to him, and I traded that car in about 2-3 months before that, and I have a new car loan. And I see the new car loan, that's getting paid perfectly. He calls them up and discovers that the car actually went late 90 days. He called the dealership up, got a hold of the salesperson or the finance person, I'm not sure who he spoke to, and he was, when I got the loan, you were paying off my car loan, but it never got paid off for 90 days, and so now I have late payments on my credit as a result of this. That was the deal. I was trading in the car, getting a new loan, and you guys were paying off the old loan. What actually happened? And he can't get to the bottom of it. Bottom line is the loan company is like, you have to make the payment. And he's kind of getting the runaround with the dealership as far as when they were meant to make the payment. If you ever trade in a car, you should make sure that your car gets paid off a couple days after you do the trade-in. I would wait 2, 3, 4 days, maybe a week, and call and follow up. Because apparently you can't 100% trust that the dealership is going to pay that car off in a timely way. And if they don't, you're still going to be responsible for the late payments.